welcome if this is your first time visiting. My name is Lisa. On this channel I do videos on luxury items, fashion, beauty, fragrance, and travel. If you happen to love any of those things, I would love it if you became part of my family here on YouTube by subscribing. And you can always click the bell icon below so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here on this channel. As you guys know, I recently purchased a few items from a brand that I haven't purchased from in years, and that brand is Coach. And I told you guys, I believe that I did order a few other items and I was just waiting on them to be delivered, and I promised I would share them with you guys, so that's what I'm gonna do here today. However, before I do that, no, I still have not made up my mind on the two different color Cassie bags, the blue one or the black one, but I have a few more days before I make up my mind. I have until the 22nd or the 23rd, so it's coming up quick. But anyway, I will let you guys know which bag I choose, I promise. But anyway, I actually went into a Coach boutique, which I shared with you guys on my last video. But these are a pair of sunnies, and they came in this nice cake, and this is what they look like. I already showed them on my last video. They are really nice. I just kind of fell in love with the shape of them. So they're kind of like this nice scallop edge, and I don't know, kind of a unique shape. They have these little tea roses on the side, so I just kind of fell in love with them. They're like a gray ombre, so they're darker up here and lighter at the bottom, and I don't know, I just like the shape of them. So yeah, I don't know, I love them. I will have all the information, of course, in the description bar below. They are called the rimless tea rose glasses. Actually, the handles have like this nice kind of tortoiseshell on them. Next, let's open this big box here that I have on the floor. It came in this box, so let's just open it really quick. Here we go. Alright, there we go. Has a nice little Coach sticker on it. Got two boxes in here. So 1 and 2. Basically, these are the same exact thing. I just didn't know what size to get. So let's see. As you can probably guess, they are a pair of Coach shoes. They come with a dust bag that says Coach. Nice satin material. And let's see. So what I purchased are, if you saw my other video, they are the exact same shoe. They are called the Maya Sandal, and I purchased them in this beautiful champagne gold color, and I love these shoes, so I decided to order a black pair. This is what they look like. So I basically ordered the same shoe in two different sizes because I am usually a 6.5 in open strappy type sandals because I have narrow feet. But I purchased these in a 7, and I believe on that video I kept asking myself or saying, I don't know why I got a 7, because I normally get a 6.5. And then Lady B here on YouTube reminded me that they didn't have a 6.5. I guess they were all sold out of it, so that's why I got the 7. So anyway, I basically got a 6.5 and a 7 in this size. Let's see which one I like the best. But anyway, They are the same sandal, and they're actually very comfortable. They have the gold emblem with the C on them, and they are adjustable. So I will put that link below or at an end screen at the end of this video. So if you want to see what they look like while I'm wearing them, you can check that out. It's about a 3.5 inch heel, or maybe this is like maybe a 3¼ inch heel. So it's not too high, not too low. It's just kind of in the middle. A nice comfortable heel height and a nice decent pitch. I just really like them. I'm not really gonna bother to show you the other shoes in this box because they are the exact same thing, same color, just a different size. I just wanted to see the size comparison. I also got another box right here, so let's see what we got in this box. I'm really excited for this box. So there you go, same setup, the little Coach sticker on it, and look how beautiful that is. All nice and wrapped and everything. Right, so let's see if I even remember what I purchased. So I got this and this wrapped like this. I like that. So anyway, let's undo the ties. I really like this packaging. It's so cute. I love it. I almost hate to undo it, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. This is a strap. And if you saw my Hachette Matisse versus the Cassie video, I mentioned that, or I showed you that Coach also has different straps that you can purchase and add them to your bag, kind of dress it up or just change it out. So similar to Fendi, similar to Dior, you can purchase additional straps if you just want to, you know, change the look of your bag. So this is a beautiful pink one with these little pink leather hearts, and it's all leather. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. And then so there's little leather hearts all over it in kind of different pink and purple tones. And the strap is adjustable here, as you can see, so you can kind of adjust it, make it a little bit longer and shorter. It's on both sides. This one has like gunmetal hardware, and it opens and closes like this. It does have little rivets on it, and each one of the rivets has Coach on there. On each one of these in tiny little lettering. So I really, really love this strap. Let's open this one. Okay, so this actually came in a dust bag, but the other one didn't. Anyway, so this one is a pink one with little flowers on it. So this one I liked because of something else that I purchased, which I will show you in a minute. But see, this one has little flowers on it, and I like this one because the underside of it is in this beautiful oxblood color. Also adjustable, same thing, except this one has gold hardware. So with the same open and closing mechanism like a lobster claw. Also has the adjustable straps. Well, let's see what else we have in here. Oh, wait. I got something else. All right, I got another package. See, I forgot what I even ordered. Okay, so this is, believe it or not, another strap. So these straps were, let's see if they have the prices on here. These straps were basically on sale, which is why I bought them. Do they have the price on here? Of course not. This one, I believe, was more expensive. This one was like $75, I believe. If not, I'll put the price down here at the bottom. And this one, wow, this is really nice. So this strap is absolutely gorgeous. I wasn't expecting it to even look this amazing. It has Coach right here on one of the flowers, and then it has like these little glitter, like rose gold glitter here on them, and it's absolutely beautiful. So the white color, it's like an off-white, and this color is called Chalk. It's a nice pebbled leather, and it's just really, really pretty. The underside of it is a tan color. It's not necessarily reversible, but you know, when you're wearing a bag, you can see the underside of it. And the hardware is this nice, kind of like a brushed gold, kind of in between a brushed gold and a rose gold, if that makes sense. So it's not as shiny gold as my other strap that I just showed you. On this pink one, it's a little, like this one is a little bit darker gold, and this one is a lighter gold. But it's really, really pretty. And the reason that I purchased this was anticipation of a bag that I may hopefully get. It's all sold out, but we shall see. I really, really hope that I get it. But anyway, just keep my fingers crossed on that one. So I was going to make this all into one big unboxing, but I don't want the video to be too long, so I think I'm just going to end it here. And if you want to see what is in this box, make sure you check out my other video so you can see what's in here. I'm really excited to see what's in here. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. Thanks again for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.